Hey, queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you all so much for watching as well as returning. So we have another bougie luxury review, and once again it is in a collaboration with Easy Luxury. So y'all see what we got going on here. Okay, we don't have a makeup bag this time. We don't, not this time, but we do have another gorgeous bag. Now from the box, I know you guys wonder, like, how gorgeous could it be? Yes, of course. So when it was delivered, the box got damaged. But that don't mean what's in here is damaged. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox her. All right. So, of course, she comes in a dust bag. Now, when I saw this bag here, don't get me wrong, I have a bag like this, which I showed you guys before. But this one, I don't have in this color. This color in which I want to make it my everyday bag. I have grown to this love and obsession with black. Black, 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 black. I don't know why, but whatever. I want to make this my everyday bag. So we're going to take her out of the dust bag so you all can actually see my new everyday bag. Girl, look at her. She's huge. She feel like a pillow. She feel like a pillow, you all. Like, let's take this off. Kara, she feel like a pillow. She look like a pillow tiny too. But as you all can see, my YSL beauty. Let's finish taking this off. So now that we have everything off, let's open there. Look how big she is. Like, this is going to be a gorgeous bag. Like, you almost can't see it because of the black on black. But look, she's huge. Like, I am loving this, like, smoky jet black type thing, matte look that we have going on here. Like, I'm in love with this bag here. And there's nothing in her to be propping her up. But anyway, she have two handles. As you can see how you can carry her. Or you can carry with just one handle. It's all up to you. Look. Can y'all even see the YSL on her? Like, baby, I'm going to have to put some shine on her so you all can see. But anyways, there is a very, very deep insides. Like, my hand, I got lost up in there. She does have a pocket here, a zipper, and it has a nice little depth to it too as well. So she is magnetic, so she's secure like that. You unsecure it. I'll take this off. If I could get it off, my fingernail's so freaking long. Well, it don't look like I could get off, so I have to take it off later. But yeah, look, just look at her. She cute. This little quilting look, or whatever you want to call it. The outside of it, how she looks. That's why I feel like it's a pillow. Like, it looks so nice. It got the design of like a pillow with it threaded up the pillow. Like, I love this bag. I love this bag. Now, this is one of my favorite bags. I can tell you one of my favorite bags that I have received from Easy Luxury. Like I said before, you guys check out their website. I promise you, you can't go wrong on their website. It's so much stuff on that website. Every brand you can think of that on their website in affordable prices too. You're not breaking the bank. The items, a shipment comes fast. Not every item comes with a damaged box. It depends on what shipment it goes through and what it went through. But I never really had to deal with that anyways, but the shipment is fast. I promise you guys you will love it. Check their website out. hit the link down below, the discount code or anything like that. Go on there and browse on the website and find some item for yourself, your friend, your loved ones. You know, your little sneaky link, your little boo-boo, your little yeah, all that there. Go on there and find them something. Man or woman, queen or king. I promise you, you will find something on their website for them. But I am in love with my new everyday bag. What are we going to call her? Because I still ain't named the other one. And y'all leave a name down below because y'all ain't dropped me down neither. So, but yeah. Look at her. Girl, I'm going to have to put some light on her. Let me get some light for y'all to see her. Hold on. I see. Like, look how gorgeous she is. Gorgeous. Let me go back on the inside so y'all can see how she looks on the inside. Like, I had to go get some light because, baby, that jet black is just really jet blacking. Like, baby, she is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I mean, I love this bag. And I haven't even put anything in it yet. Girl, look at her. She's so big. She look like she's a mother bag. Like, baby, she's important. She going places. She doing things. Like, it's all luxury. All luxury. Like, you have to love it. Also, look at it. The details is all into it. Like, I don't know, can you guys see that? But you can see the name and everything integrated on here. Like, you can't. I love it. I'm loving the black chain on it. I just love it. It's just something about it. I don't know. When I seen it on the website, I was like, yeah, I'm sold. I'm sold. But I didn't expect it to be this big. So I love this even more. So I can be able to put everything in here. My phone, my keys, my tripod, my camera, my wallet. Listen, perfume. Like, you can put some everything in here. And this is my everyday bag too, baby. So yes, I will be carrying her every day. All right. So with that being said, Queens and Kings, I hope you guys enjoy this review. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the links and everything down in the description box. And remember, the code that's down there is only work for my channel. My channel only, Queen Val Livin. No other channel, no none of that, just Queen Val Livin. That's on where your baby get that discount, okay? But yes, so check them out. And with that being said, let's jump on into today's video. All right. Boom. So this is the bathroom. Will already done cleaned it, as in the tub, the sink, the counter, and stuff like that. He done in the toilet and all those things there. Now it's more about me coming in here to reconstruct it again, as in moving decor around, putting other things at. That's Andre tried on close. He closed it like I mean his door like I was too loud or something. But anyways, yeah. So that's pretty much what we're about to do at this point here. Let's see, can we bring this bathroom back to life? So time lapse it is, so y'all don't have to worry about me cleaning because y'all seen me clean the other bathroom. But we just gonna pretty much go ahead and undecorate, and then we will come back in regular time actually decorate. Okay. All right, Queens and Kings, I want to say thank you all so much for clicking on today's video, as well as watching part 1 of me cleaning the master bathroom. If you haven't, you still can go back and watch it, Queen or King, to get you some inspiration, motivate you, or whatever the case may be. I don't know, ideas, or just watch to support the channel. Either way, I appreciate it. But now that we done moved on from there, we here into the guest bathroom. This is going to be quick, fast, and easy because, like I said, I already did the pre-cleaning part and all that stuff there. I ain't have to do none of that with you all on camera. So here all we're really doing is just really going into the decoration stage, or whatever the case may be. So once again, I hope that this video give you some type of inspiration, motivate you, or you're just here to support some type of form of fashion. And with that being said, as in support, please continue to let the ads play. If you don't mind an ad come up, just go take you a drink, go have a bathroom break or whatever. I understand, because that's out of my control of the length of the ad. But I do appreciate you for actually letting it play and clicking on today's video. So with that being said, Queens and Kings, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Chasing what we found. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping your sunshine and come take me away. No horizon. Finally I can see again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses. Carry me away, away. Dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. You're a dream, dream, dream. Standing in your presence. Carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses. Carry me away, away. A dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. My head above the water. Finally I can breathe again.
All right, Queens and Kings. So the bathroom is done. I am done. I am done. I am done. I'm done. I actually like the way this turned out. I really do like the way that this turned out. Definitely over here in this area here, like, I'm loving it. We got the gray rug going on. So, yeah. So pretty much, let me go ahead and tell you all where everything come from right quick. I'm done for the night, even though y'all got these video in 2 different days. But I am done for the night of doing in the bathroom. So I done revamped both, which I love. So, but anyway, these here pictures here came from, what's the name of the company? I totally forgot. I don't want to butcher the name, but this was a collaboration. I love these. I love these here. These is just too cute and modern. But yes, that's where these come from. So I find a link. I'll link it down below. Okay. The light is Amazon. Over here above the toilet, we have some towels. The black and white towels came from not Walmart, baby. Home Goods. Home Goods. Y'all know I was looking for these for a while, that I came across when I wasn't looking for them. So I love these towels here. I got some books up here. 9/10 it came from Amazon. They just threw a rose up there. Those chest pieces came from Dollar General. And yeah, like, you could get white and black towels from anywhere. One of you all sent the black towels. I remember getting the black towels, so I am using those. But yes, I like how they look. Now, over here on the counter here, I put my little, what is it, vase that I put the little black tape and everything when I had it in the other bathroom. This here is a decanister, pretty much used for like mouthwash or something like that. And then I got this little candle here. I think I got this from Dollar General, I believe. Because it's with True Living or Family Dollar, something like that. And then the soap pump and toothbrush and toothpaste holders, things like that. I put the paper towel holder back up there. So, yeah. But over here, this is pretty much, like I said, it's my little statement piece over here. I'm loving it. Now, the black curtains from Amazon, those are 96 inches. Once again, I have a light up here. This artwork came from DITL or something like that. And I had it for a little minute now, a little poster or whatever. So, yeah. And once again, the towels, the black and white towels from Home Goods. The gray ones from, I think, Home Goods. And the black ones, I know one of you queens got them from Amazon for me. Then I just got some extra white towels. So pretty much this is where the towels and linen stuff is placed at in here. And then I put a little decor piece of it just to make it a little bit more homey. Look, you know, a little more stylish pretty much. So, yeah. Oh, and the last piece is this faux high rug here. This came from Ross. I had it for a minute now, and I love it. All right, Queens and Kings, that's pretty much going to be it. Oh, I did take the gold tape from around the mirror. Still got a little residue from the little sticker adhesive of it, but I try to find a blade so I could get it off. But for the most part, I took it off. I was going to put the black tape around like I did with the gold, but I didn't want to pull away from the counter, the vanity itself, which I did thought about putting some black tape, not tape, but contact paper or some white contact paper, but I'm not in the mood. I'm tired. I did both bathrooms for the day. So yeah, that's why you seen the same clothing in the first video. Now you're seeing it in the second video because this actually was all in one day. But anyways, Queens and Kings, that is pretty much it for this video. If you all like, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, listen, I'm twisting over my own words. I'm just that tired now. Did I tell y'all the accounts and stuff from Home Goods? Or Burlington. One of them, the black ones there. But yeah, one of them. Burlington. But anyways, that's going to be it, Queens and Kings. You guys continue to be royal. And remember, honey, your crown what? May tilt, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye, Queens and Kings.